So my name is Brooke LeMasters. We are a nonprofit in Northwest Arkansas called Apple Seeds. Our work is about empowering kids with the skills they need in order to make healthy choices, and then also creating access to healthy foods. So we have a farm here where kids come here on field trips where they have the experience of actually harvesting something out of the garden and then processing it into something that they can eat. Before Motion.io, we were working very manually. We had a list of schools and we would reach out to them and we would send them a list of all of the dates and times when they could come for their field trip. They would respond whenever they could respond, and then we would go back to the spreadsheet and see if that date was still available, and if not, we would send them an updated list. Our educator team, they are hired to deliver programming to the schools, including the logistics of getting the schools to the farm. So there's a lot of coordination that needs to happen. All of that was happening via email, sometimes by phone calls. We'd have to call the school, get connected through the secretary to get to the teacher. A lot of manual communication and not one source of truth in order for the teacher to go there and be able to knock out everything they need to do, know exactly what they need to do, and then know that we're ready for the field trip. When I was interviewing for the position, they presented me with this problem and said, "What would you suggest we do?" So I had a very detailed search. I had a list of tech options, and Motion.io was on that list. Having one portal with magic links is huge for us. The fact that it's not another login that the teachers have to manage is a really big deal to us. Being able to click on the email and it takes them to the portal is great. I also love the way that we could customize the portal in a way that we want to communicate, because we have a large educator team who needs to be able to monitor this. And we also connect our Motion.io to Calendly. The way that our team books is it shows them the open availability. Once they book with us, it creates a project and assigns those teachers to that project. So we've automated as much as we can to get them exactly what they need as soon as they book. It has really streamlined our communication and gotten everyone on the same page in the right place at the right time. We estimate that it has saved our team about 10 hours per program that we book here. But 10 hours per program, we usually have between 5 and 10 programs in a week. One of our big goals for this year was to hit the capacity of the farm. We have mapped out how many programs can be run in a year at this space. We've been able to increase the number of slots that we have available, but then we've also been able to fill those slots faster than we ever have before.